In this lesson, we will understand what is Power BI, its features, and why it is so popular. So let us see. So Power BI is a BI tool by Microsoft. With Power BI, you can easily get data from different sources such as Excel, PDF, even from the internet. And the data can be easily analyzed and converted to meaningful reports, dashboards, different kinds of charts and graphs. Through this, you can easily get help in business decisions by tracking the performance. So Power BI was developed by Microsoft. Okay, so if you can easily analyze your data and convert it into reports and dashboards, okay, easily, then it will definitely help an organization in scaling. Okay, so I just said Power BI is a BI tool, right? Now you would be wondering, what is BI? That is business intelligence. So in this lesson, guys, we will understand the task of a data analyst. Then we will understand what is BI, that is business intelligence, what is Power BI, what are its features, and why Power BI is used. So let us start. First, let us see the task of a data analyst. Okay, consider that a data analyst basically understands the data to get valuable insights from it. Okay, and all these things are used to track the performance and scale the organization. That's it. First, the data is prepared. That can include cleaning the data, transforming the data. Let's say there are a lot of duplicates in the data. There are some missing values or some values which are flawed. Then the data analyst prepares the data. Okay, it will take that particular raw data and it will convert it into a useful, easy to understand information. As I told before, that it includes fixing the data, that is fixing the inaccurate data. Okay, identifying the missing data, fixing the duplicate values. That's it. Then the second step includes model. So your data is now ready to get modeled after the first step, that is the data preparation step. Now in this step, so this step determines how the tables are related to each other. Okay, this is done by creating relationships between them. Then comes your visualize. Okay, obviously we all know that if you are looking at a chart, at a graph or an image, then it's way easier to understand when compared with text. Okay, now the step is to visualize. Okay, so this data is then converted to reports which are easy to understand. If you are checking a report, then you can easily understand everything about the company, that how the things are going on in a company. Then comes analyze. So analyze, as the name suggests, is used to analyze, that is to find the insights so that the patterns are identified and the outcomes can be predicted. Okay, the information displayed in the reports are interpreted by analyzing them. Then comes your management. That is the last step. All these reports, models, dashboards are managed by the data analyst. All the work related to the supervision of managing the data. Okay, all this, that also includes your distribution of reports and dashboards, is the work of a data analyst. So guys, now let us see what is BI. Power BI is a BI tool. I told you before, BI means business intelligence. That means to analyze the data and display it in a way it speaks. That means in the form of charts, dashboards, graphs, reports, pie chart, God chart, even clustered, and in many other ways. So obviously if you have a dashboard wherein all the charts are visible, it's way easier to understand than just understanding the text. Okay, in this way you can quickly view it, you can quickly analyze it and track the performance. Also fix the issues quickly because your charts are easily available on the dashboard. Every other detail is on the dashboard. So this automatically helps in taking the decisions. So the BI concept, business intelligence, is a must for any organization. Now comes Power BI. It is a tool by Microsoft that came in 2011 to understand data and build reports and dashboards out of it. So a Power BI is a collection of Power Query, Power Pivot, Power Views, Power BI service. A Power Query means an ETL. Okay, that means to extract, transform and load the data. Consider it as cleaning the data, let's say removing the duplicates. Okay, cleaning the data, fixing your null values as I told before. Then comes your Power Pivot. That means to connect the data from multiple sources and create relationships. Multiple data sources can include your Excel, PDF, from the internet, from text files and others. Then comes your Power Views. That means creating charts, graphs and different kinds of visualizations. That means you can easily create a GOT chart, column chart and other charts and graphs with the Power Views component. Then comes your Power BI service. That means to communicate with the reports. Okay. The data is also filtered from the visual. You can consider like you can export the data from the visual. Let's say you have a chart. You can filter the data from the chart and export it easily to different formats like CSV. Here are the features of Power BI. I already told you that you can easily create reports and dashboards, create different kinds of charts like a pie chart, column chart. Okay. The second would be data connectivity. That means you can connect to various data sources. Let's say your data is in Excel format, CSV format, PDF, JSON, even cloud services. Then you can easily connect it with your Power BI. And after that you can easily create custom visualizations using R and Python. Power Query, you can perform source and transform the data. That means fix the missing values, you can fix the duplicate values. If there is an incorrect value, you can easily fix it. Okay. It is also having a mobile app, easily access the reports and dashboards you created using the official mobile app. Since it is a Microsoft product, so it has amazing integrations. So amazing integrations with the different other Microsoft products are very easy, like even with your Excel, SharePoint. Okay. With that, after creating the reports, obviously you need to share it, right? So that is also very much easy with Power BI. Easily share reports and collaborations with your team, with your colleagues, okay? And that too in real time. Last one is security. All these features are really secure. It ensures data protection. Let's say you have the revenue details of a company. Obviously, if you are using a tool, it should be secure there. You don't want data leakage, you don't want data theft. So with Power BI, you don't need to worry about all these things. Now, why Power BI? Okay, we all know that there is a large amount of data, and especially the amount of unstructured data crossed over 80% since the introduction of our social media. Obviously, tools like Power BI is really important. First to collect the data, then to handle it properly so that insights can be generated. And then you can also create reports and dashboards from it. Okay. And display the visualizations so that you can compare the performance and you can track the performance. It streamlines your data analysis and reporting process. It is suitable for businesses of all sizes because you need to analyze the reports, the performance of every company to grow it, right? So Power BI is a must. I told you before that it is a Microsoft product, so the integrations are really easy with SharePoint, Excel and many other Microsoft products. So guys, we saw Power BI is a BI tool. We also saw what is BI. Why we say that Power BI is a must for data analyst. We also saw the role of data analyst. With that, we also worked around the features of Power BI and why Power BI is so popular in companies, even in small organizations. Thank you for watching the video.